po yan, di ba? Land bank po siguro yan. Anong cheque po ginamit?
Opo, land bank check po kami. Yung po ang bank account ng DepEd.
So meaning to say, land bank po yung ginamit, worth 37.5. At yung 37.5 na yun, dadali ni Mr. Paharda sa land bank. So paano pa niya ho pinapa-incas ito? Binibigay siyempre, cash yan. Papa-incas po yung cheque sa counter ng land bank. Ibibigay niya yan, cash, di ba? Madam Chair?
Yes, Your
Madam
Honor.
Yusek, sorry. Yeah.
Opo, yes, Honor. The records will show under the cash division na ito rin po ay na-encash.
So, na-encash.
Opo.
So, andyan ho ba si Mr. Paharda? Si Mr. Paharda? Si Mr. Edward Paharda, nandito ba?
Not present. Not present.
Not present? Hindi ba tayo nagpadala ng invitation po kay Mr. Paharda?
Your Honor, invitation was sent. Committee also issued a subpoena at testificandum to compel his appearance in the next hearing, Your Honor.
Kasi siya makakasagot sa tanong ko eh. Pag halimbawang pina-encash niya yung cheque, siyempre tatanggapin niya yung 37.5, papapirma ng bangko. Medyo mabigat-bigat po to, 37.5 million. Kailangan may kasama siya. At I went in DepEd building already, how many times? Wala naman pong elevator yung DepEd office nyo, di ba? Agdan lang po, di ba? Wala namang elevator. So, paano nyo kinakarga yung 37.5 million? Saan niya dinadala? May office uba sa DepEd si Mr. Paharda?
Opo, may opisina po siya, executive assistant po siya under the office of the secretary. But I wouldn't know po the circumstances after po ng issuance ng check ng finance. So, indadala. So,
medyo mabigat-bigat po to kung 3 beses kayo nag-issue ng 37.5 na 3 cheque, 3 beses niya kinargaan yung 37.5 million from land bank. Tama po ba, Madam Yusek?
Your Honor, hindi
niyo ma-confirm kasi wala
ma-confirm,
si...
Your Honor po. Pasensya na po.
Well, anyway, at least po, itong 3 cheque, 3 voucher, signed by the Secretary, signed by the 2 USECs, yung voucher at pinirmahan po itong cheque, ay katunayan po at natanggap po itong 37.5 times 3, that is equivalent to 112.5 million total ang natanggap na 3 cheque ni Mr. Paharda. So, Madam Sibilia, sa pagkaintindi ko, sa sort of programs being done in confidential funds came in, and the difference before was that the military that was administering the program, am I correct? Ang military po ang binibigay ni Mr. Paharda sa mga military para sa mga programa ng ating ibang programa ng DepEd?
Unfortunately, Mr. Chair, I have no knowledge on the utilization of the fund kasi hindi po talaga kasama na ang finance sa pag-utilize.
Paano niyo ginagamit yung mga check?
Yes. Tama po, Your Honor. The checks are used for all programs and projects and activity. In this case, kasi po nakalagay sa joint circular na ang confidential fund should be in the form of cash advance.
Yeah.
So pag cash advance, cheque po talaga ang dapat na ilabas under the name of the authorized special disbursing officer.
Video na po ba yung mga attachment ng 37.5 kung saan ginamit yun?
Wala po kaming copy noon, Your Honor. Ang magre-report po kung saan siya ginamit would be the special disbursing officer and the head of agency. At ito po ay sinasubmit sa COA chairman through the ICPAO. Yun po yung opisina.
So, ang talagang makakasagot dito is Mr. Paharda?
Yes, Your
Kasi
Honor.
siya ang disbursement officer.
Opo,
Tama ho ba?
Tama po, Your Honor.
Hindi ho pwedeng i-apply yan na i-deposit mo na lang as ADA yung 37.5 million. Bakit cheque pa ginagamit natin?
Your Honor, that will not be compliant with the joint circular. Because the joint circular specifically provided under Section 6 of Joint Circular 2015-01, the grant of the confidential fund is only through cash advance. So hindi po pwede ang ADA, hindi rin po pwede yung list of due and demandable accounts payable, only through check po, Your
So
Honor.
talagang cash po talaga yan kasi cash advance.
Cash po talaga, Your Honor.
Yusek Sevilla prepare a check prepared the voucher and signed the check by Yusek Sevilla and Yusek Mercado, and received by a certain the SDO, Mr. Paharda. And Mr. Paharda is the one who encashed the check from Land Bank and kinuha niya yung pera. At Mr. Chairman, yung 37.5, ewan ko ikaw kung kaya bang buhatin yun.